If we care about our health, we pay attention to the quality of what we eat and drink. Why should it be any different with the air we breathe? It is vital to our existence, and its quality affects us directly. But we can't select the air as easily as we do fruit juice in a supermarket. We can't choose what we breathe. All the more reason to examine it closely. So that we can know what we breathe, 21 partners throughout Europe are working together in Myair. They include doctors knowledgeable about healthcare, scientists searching for pollutants in the air, and businessmen who keep customer wishes in mind. They work together to make our air visible. The air we breathe today, the air we will breathe tomorrow, and the air we breathed last year. Myair makes their results convenient for us to use. Who can make use of Myair? It's for the sportsman planning his running course. It's for families setting off on a bike excursion. Or for hikers looking for relaxation in the fresh air. As routinely as weather services today predict rain and sunshine, Myair will inform us tomorrow about problematic particles or high levels of ozone in the air. Air quality forecasts benefit people, customized to meet their special needs. So, those allergic to pollen can improve their quality of life. Their own localized pollen forecasts for the next few days give them more options for organizing their lives. Fresh air is a good thing, even for those with respiratory disease. But is it good enough? What is harmless for one patient can be dangerous for another. Air quality information helps doctors give their patients personalized advice, so together they can determine the right time for and extent of outdoor activities. Specialized Myair training assists doctors to do this. Medically useful forecasts of air quality are being developed together with hospitals, and these forecasts in turn help the hospitals. If an air quality catastrophe threatens, they can get ready to receive many patients and, for example, adjust their hospital work schedules. The predictions are also useful for pharmacies. They can then order adequate quantities of the most needed medication. Information about air quality also aids city administrators. The EU requires that inhabitants be informed about the quality of their air. Myair can make this information easily and rapidly available in a standardized form. The authorities then only have to distribute it over city websites and on the notice boards of public places like schools, libraries, and swimming pools. The information can also be forwarded to public radio stations, so that the weather forecast can be supplemented with air quality information. Providing information about the air is a legal duty. Every country in the European Union must inform the European Commission in Brussels whether air quality threshold levels are being maintained. Paying a fine is the consequence of any unexplained violation. If a measurement station sounds an alarm, clarification is called for. What is the source of the particulate matter? Is it from trucks on the highway? Or blown in from the desert? How did it spread? What exactly should be reported to the European Commission? Myair helps environmental offices to find the answers. Until now, a set of ground measurements has been providing information about the air. In order to improve the quality of this information, Myair makes use of satellite data as well. That gives environmental agencies a more detailed and complete view. And satellite data are useful because air does not stop moving at city or country borders. And finally, Myair also assures the quality of the information. All results are thoroughly checked and carefully evaluated. Cities and towns can also use the tools provided by Myair to compare their own measurements with European standards. All the Myair services are already being used all over Europe. They are being tested and further developed. In the Black Forest, air quality is being determined for hikers and sportsmen. Advance notice of pollen dispersal is being provided in Finland. In southern France, doctors use Myair to assist patients with respiratory problems. And all of London is being supplied, street by street, with precise information about air quality. Environmental authorities are also included among the test users. Italy, Germany and the Netherlands already use Myair services for their reporting to Brussels. And air forecasts are being quality controlled in 7 major cities: Helsinki, London, Athens, Thessaloniki, Rotterdam, Sofia and Brussels. Myair meets uniform European standards for data, quality and exchange. This makes it possible to easily apply and expand these services to more regions, other cities and new users. Myair matches available information about European air quality with local requirements. More information about Myair services can be found on the website. Air is vital to our existence. It's good to be aware of the quality of our air.